Hey fellas, I'm here with another video. In this video we're gonna change oil on a Porsche Boxster. The year on the car is 2008. Whenever you change oil on a Boxster, make sure you get this drain plug brand new. It's aluminum, it comes with the washer, and this is the dealer oil filter. And the oil that is recommended for Porsche Boxster during this time, as per dealer, is 040. It uses about 7.75 liters. That says in the manual. So on the back of this it tells you liters and the quarts. We here in US use quarts. The dealer part for the oil filter, as you can see, is there in case you need to water. Both things together about $50. But let me show you what I did. I picked up the Porsche like that, and like this. It's pretty accessible in the back. With this thing we're gonna go under. With the Porsche, unlike the Japanese cars, they use Allen screws, and the size for the Allen screw for the Porsche is 8, and I believe for the filter is 74 mm. So I'm going to show you the process. This has been a while. I haven't done an oil change in Porsche. I used to have a Porsche years and years ago, and this is new to me. The car is old, but it's new for me. Drain plug is right there, and the filter is right under here, right there. Right there. I'm going to open this drain. Okay, and I'm gonna open up the filter. Looks good. We're gonna clean up the surface. I'm gonna go ahead and put our new drain plug back. We're gonna wipe off. And we're going to use a ratchet to tie it up. Okay, looks good. Now the filter. Let's look at the filter. So what we're going to do once we put the ring on, we're going to lube it with oil. This is the important part, don't miss. Make sure you lube it. And once lube, I'm going to go ahead and install it. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in the oil. This whole thing is 5 US quarts and 4.73 liter. And on the back, it shows you liter on one side and quarts on the other side. So with the third one, we'll try to stop right here. This would be 7.73. It actually takes 7.75. So we'll measure how much oil is there, so I'll show you. Okay, now that we filled the oil, we're gonna close it. And if you see, Porsche does recommend Mobil 1. So we close it. Let's close it. Okay. And that's for the coolant. You close this. In the old Porsche, like 2001, they used to have a dipstick, but not in this model, so it's accessible to the trunk. So now if you see, it's gonna give the oil level. Usually it should be between those arrows, but even though if it's slightly higher, that's okay because there's a little bit more than in there, but not a whole lot in there. So the required oil is 7.75, and maybe I put 7.77, something like that, and it's still good. I change my oil in cars like this every 6 months. So if you see the oil level is good, it's not overfilled. A lot of people may look at it and say, oh, it's overfilled. It's not overfilled, because I measured, it's a little bit more than 7.75, probably like 7.78, something like that, but it's good, I know. So with that being said, I'm gonna end this video. Thank you so much for watching.